So I have okra seeds here that I have soaked overnight, and now we are going to sow it in this planter. So okra needs really hot weather. So if you're planting okra, just make sure that the weather is hot. You don't want to sow it when it is still cold. And the second thing is that they don't like to be transplanted, so you should plant them or sow the seeds where you want to grow them. So I want to grow them in this planter. It's about 2.5 feet long and about 15 inches tall and about 18 inches wide, and it is full of compost and some manure and potting soil mix. So I'm just going to take a few seeds and plant them here. These seeds are pretty big, so they can go about half an inch or three quarters and an inch deep. So I'm just going to plant like 3 rows. If the temperature is not warm enough, then they will grow, but the growth will not be that great. And we're going to cover up the holes. I have already watered it thoroughly. Maybe I'll just give it a little bit more water so that the soil on top of the seeds kind of settles down. And we'll just wait for them to germinate. And I'll keep you posted. So it's been 3 weeks that we planted the okra seeds, and almost all the seeds grew. As I said before, okra loves hot weather, so plant them only when the minimum temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And then they should be in full sun. Like this planter is in sun for 5 to 6 hours, and I water it every day because it's really hot. And they are growing well. It's been about 6 weeks. It's been about 8 weeks. In last 1 week, these okra plants have grown really big. They must have grown 3-4 inches, and I can see a lot of buds coming. Initially, I was thinking that, oh, they are okras, but actually these are birds. They'll open up, and then the pollination will happen, and then the okras will come. So you can see the flowers coming out. So finally, I was able to see the flower of the okra because it opens in the morning and then by evening it kind of closes. So I was never able to spot it. And it's pretty beautiful actually, if you think about it. And once the flower dries up, then and if the pollination happened, then like this, you can see the flower dried up on the top, and now this okra has started forming. And as far as pests are concerned, if you see aphids on your okra, you can try diluted neem water, 1 teaspoon of neem water and 1 teaspoon of castile soap mixed in 1 liter of water and spray. So that works. But the best option is to unleash some ladybugs on the okra plant. If you can see here, they'll just eat the aphids. So I mean, in my case, the ladybug found this plant with some aphids and very happy there. But if you have ladybugs somewhere in your garden and you see aphids on okra, just pick those ladybugs carefully and bring them near okra plant, and they'll be happy and you'll be happy. So here are a couple of okras you can see here. So this one, you can see that you can make out the seeds because they are swelling up. So that means it is overgrown. Now, when you cook it, it will not be tender. So you don't want to wait till this stage. You should pick it before this. And It is very hard to just pluck the okra just like that. You have to cut it out, otherwise it will not come out. If you look at this, you can see the seeds swelling up. So this is a little late. You want to pick it at this stage. So this is good stage. This is uh, perfect. uh, this is like, you shouldn't leave it after this. When you see these ridges forming, then it's like, pick it right now. There are more here. This is good. Again, almost overripe. This is perfect. So, as you see them becoming big, just keep picking them. So main thing is that they require the weather to become quite hot before they start to grow well. And you plant them about 8 to 10 inches apart. They keep becoming taller and they keep producing new okras on the top. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.